सोनिए हवा विच जांदे ने खिलर सोनिए आ ब्राउन तेरे बालां दा कलर सोनिए हवा विच जांदे ने खिलर सोनिए चढ़गी तू जैसे है मिलर सोनिए प्लीज।
You guys are doing well. This is Makeup by Anshita. Makeup? Yeah, because all my social media handles are by this name. So let's stick to Makeup by Anshita. I hope we can work that out. Today's video is all about this green smoky eye. I told you guys that you can wear this look, any smoky eye, with Indian wear or with Western wear. So I thought let's do an ethnic wear today. It's all Desi style wear and I have paired it with earrings and bindi. You can just go away with all of that and just keep it simple and wear your party dress and go to clubbing. This looks difficult but it's very simple, and you will see in the tutorial like how I have achieved this look. For those who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and we are doing this smoky eye series. So today is the third video of this series. If you have not checked my previous videos, do check that out. Share the link at the end of the video. If you are interested, then please keep on watching.
I have moisturized my face and now I am using the Zero Pore Separation Cream from MAC. This is my favorite primer these days. It blurs your imperfections and also minimizes the appearance of your pores. And I like using it all over my face like so. For my base I am using this MAC Studio Derma, and it comes in a small jar like packaging like this. And it took me several minutes to blend this foundation into my skin. So yeah, lot of effort required there. Now covering my neck also, for the concealer I am using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is the best concealer in the world and I use it for all my brides. And I am using it under my eyes to conceal all those dark circles, also on my forehead, the bridge of my nose and around my mouth. Now with the help of a damp sponge, I'll blend all this concealer into my skin. For the powder, I'm using this Loreal Matte Magique Pressed Powder. It's an amazing powder which will keep you shine free throughout the day. For bronzing, I'm using this Wet n Wild Megaglow Contouring Palette. Making a fish face, I'll apply it on the hollow of my cheeks. Today I feel like contouring my nose as well, so this is what I'm doing here. And for my cheeks, I'm using this Milani Baked Blush. This is what it looks like from inside. This color will look great on all Indian skin tones. My all-time favorite highlighter is from MAC Soft and Gentle. I am applying it on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin, as well as on my forehead. Face done. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using this black gel liner and I'm placing it all over my lid. Also applying it on my waterline and smudging it a bit to give it a smoky effect. Now taking this brown eyeshadow, dusting off the excess and placing it on the crease area. Try to achieve that gradient effect from black to dark brown to light brown until you reach your brow bone. Keep blending to get that seamless look. Now taking my pencil brush, I am smudging my lower lash line also using black eyeshadow. With a clean fluffy brush, I am blending on upper crease as well as lower lash line. Now taking this gorgeous green from the same palette, apply it on top of the black that we applied, covering the entire lid. Now taking this light green eyeshadow from this palette, I'll just place it on the lower lash line like so. Taking the white shimmery eyeshadow, I'm placing it on the inner corners of my eyes as well as on my brow bone. The mascara that I'm using today is the False Push-Up Drama Mascara from Maybelline. Yeah, I changed my mascara for today. Applying it on my upper lashes. Well done. This is so me. Finish my another eye and come back so that we save on some time. Well, I'm back, both eyes done, and I'm so excited that this look turned out to be so good. Lips, I'm using this Miss Claire Chubby stick. It's a very cool nude pinkish shade. I wore my contacts off camera and I'm finishing this look by wearing a small bindi. And this is the final look. Do post your comments on this look.
If you enjoyed, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more such fun makeup videos. Yeah, that is it for this video and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.